Hello everyone, it's the Artsy Bohemian coming to you from my studio in Los Angeles, California. I want to show you a new project that I'll be teaching in person at Frank Garcia's studio January 25th, 2025. And it's something that's been requested, and so I'm going to be teaching it. It's a slow stitch project, and let me just show you some close-ups here, that we should be able to finish in a day. I'm calling it a reticule, which is a small evening bag that was worn by women in the Regency era between 1795 to 1820, I believe. And they would tie them to their waist, maybe onto a belt, or just hold them like this. So I had a lot of fun making this, and from the response I got from my social media, I decided to go ahead and teach it. So we'll be doing a day of slow stitching, very simple embroidery stitches. I will supply the pre-made pouches made from vintage hankies. In fact, pretty much everything on this is either vintage or antique, including the laces, the trims, the buttons. They're all mother of pearl vintage buttons. Czechoslovakia, I can't remember the name. These are nice pearls. It'll come to my mind in a minute here. And these will be pre-made. The chain that I'm making here from a crochet with the pearls. And they're Swarovski pearls. That's what they are. Some on here might even be Miriam Haskell as well. So you'll get the pre-made chain. I will do a demonstration in class, but the main focus is on doing lots of little stitchings and patching of vintage and antique laces. And I will also make this tassel to go on the bottom. Inside this sweet little pouch, of course, we always have to have some kind of booklet. You'll get a handmade book that I've made, and it has pictures of vintage embroidery stitches that I've added, or that you will add to it. So you'll get the book blank, and then you can cut and paste these stitches, so you'll have them when you go home and want to do some more slow stitching. All the materials are going to be supplied. There's even a little needle keep right here. You'll get needles, embroidery floss, all the supplies. All you have to bring is your wonderful self and some scissors. So I'll leave the link down below to sign up when registration is available, and I will see you in class. If you have any questions, just leave a question down below in the description box. Thanks for watching.